Ooh, fancy. Right, so we're here to unbox my new book. So I haven't held this in my hand yet, so this is exciting. It's exciting for me. So, me being me, you know, I could have done this all wobbly with my phone, but no, I have a multi-camera setup with lights and everything. So if I just show you, if I can flip to here, you see, you can see my hands. We have scissors here ready for unboxing. So this is really exciting. This process began a little over a year ago, where I was approached by Harriman House. Pete, have you ever thought about writing a book? Yes, I have. I've always wanted to do it. It took me a little while. I basically wrote it in January, having done a lot of planning before that. And of course, it's been back and forth to the editor and stuff. But now, this has just arrived in my office. I have a meeting at 4:30, so this is going to be short and sweet. But, the first I thought, if I go live on Facebook and open a box and it ends up being something I've ordered from Amazon, that would be embarrassing. Of course it isn't, though, because if I just show you... come on. You see that? Macmillan Books. So, I think it's fair to say that this is definitely my author copies of the Meaningful Money Handbook. So, shall we? What I'm going to do, actually, is I'm going to go split screen, because I can. So you can see my hilarious reactions and the actual unboxing. So, are you ready? Thanks. We've got some likes. Send me some comments so that I know you I know you're here, so I can see them. Ooh, a couple of likes. Okay, here we go. Gotta be careful not to go too far and damage the important contents. It says invoice enclosed. Am I paying for these? I don't think so. I quite know why I'm doing this quite so carefully, but you know. Okay. We have bubble wrap, which doesn't pop. We have some paperwork, and drum roll, please. Oh, here it is, the Meaningful Money Handbook. Oh man, it's so cool to hold it in my hands. So I've got like 20 in here, which is fantastic. You know, it feels reasonably thick. Hang on. Ruler. The book is an important measure of a book's quality. Its thickness, 17 millimeters thick. Clearly, on that basis alone, it's going to be a bestseller. So, it's just fantastic. How exciting. My colleague Roger, you should be working, man. So should I. Roger's in the next room. He's watching. There's every chance that my staff are watching downstairs. Thank you, Rodrigo. Already reserved my copy. Fantastic, Rodrigo. You're a star. You've got to wait till the 17th of September. That's official launch date, okay? Cindy, thank you so much. It was great to see you on here. Mike, yes, it was a lot of work. It was a lot of work. But I really, really enjoyed the process. Wow. Okay. Let me just clear the box a minute. So, this is what it looks like. I hope you can see that okay. It has pages with words in, and the occasional graphic, like that. And the premise of the book really is the 3 steps to financial success. And so, if I just show you the contents, we've got the usual stuff here. Introduction, all that sort of stuff. And then we've got step 1, spend less than you earn. You know, that's the sort of fundamental thing that underpins pretty much all financial success. There's more going out than coming in. Certainly while you're building wealth, at least, then you'll never get anywhere. You certainly won't build any wealth. Then step 2, we need to protect against disaster. So that's stuff which is going wrong, could go wrong, like early death, critical illness, inability to work and stuff like that. We need to insure against that sort of stuff so that if it happens, your financial planning isn't completely derailed. It'll have to change probably, but it isn't completely derailed. And then step 3, invest wisely. Okay, 2 little words really with a whole lot of detail behind. But the purpose of this book really is to be the one book that most of us need. So in here you'll find nothing about complex offshore tax planning, detailed trust work. Why not? Because most people don't need that stuff, right? Most of us, ordinary people, just need to spend a little bit less, put that money aside for the future, and make sure we've got some insurance in case everything really goes belly up. Nearly said something else then. So this book is designed to give you all that stuff. And nothing that you don't need, just the steps you need to take, that if you follow these steps consistently over time, your financial future is assured, right? It just can't not work. So I'm so excited to get this out, into everybody's hands. The release date is the 17th of September. If you head down to Pete'sBook.com, you'll find pre-order links on Kindle and on Amazon hard copy, but also from Harriman House, the publisher. So big thanks to them for making this possible. If you order it from Harriman House, you also get a free ebook. So if you prefer both, as too often I do that, I'll download an audiobook or download an ebook and then I'll want a hard copy so that I can mark it up. So if you want to do that, Harriman House is probably the best place to order from. Amazon's there, of course. Next week I am going into the studio to record the audiobook, so I'm super excited about that. That will be on Audible, not sure on release date yet, but also at Pete'sBook.com. It's really hard. There. So everything's reversed. This is my left hand. Also at Pete'sBook.com, you can sign up, put your name and email address in, and I'll keep you posted on progress along the way. So it's so cool. This is absolutely a bucket list sort of lifetime goal thing ticked off. So super exciting. Thank you for everybody's support. Will the ebook only be available on the 17th? Yeah, absolutely, Rodrigo. The launch of the Kindle book is on the 17th as well. You can't get it early, as far as I'm aware. Certainly, it's on Amazon to be released on the 17th of September. So, yeah, all very cool. Julie, hey! Thank you, mate. Appreciate all your encouragement as we've gone through this process. Julie is in mastermind group with me, and she holds me to account every fortnight on a Monday when we meet online, and with Andy Hart and Chris Marr. Thanks to them as well. Too many thank yous. If you want to know who I need to thank for this stuff, it's all in the book. Not least my colleagues here at Jackson's and the family and all that sort of stuff. It's all in there, but I really hope this is going to be useful to loads of people. So what are we? We're probably 10 minutes in, 11 minutes in. It's about time I shut up and got back to work. Thank you so much for joining me for this little moment in history. Key moment for me. Check out Pete'sBook.com. Pete'sBook.com. And, and I hope you get a lot of benefit from it. Pre-order now. I thank you all very much.